and welcome to our class. And today's class, we are going to learn the concept connection, that is position word. And everybody ready for that? And see, take page number 123 and see in your concept book. Okay, the concept connection, position words. Okay, now I am going to read the concept connection. Everybody keep your fingers on the line and listen carefully. A position words tell us the position or location of a person, animal, place or thing. A position words tells us the position or location. Note this, position or location of a person, animal, place or thing. The position or location of a person, place, things or animal. This position is usually in relations to something else. This position is usually in relation to something else. Let's see some example. Position words tells us the position or location of the person, place, things or animals. Let's see some examples. The toy is in the box. The toy is a thing and the position in the box. In is a position verb. And see page number 124 and see some more examples. The children are sitting under the tree. Children are person. The position of the children is sitting under the tree. They are sitting under the tree. And next one, the fan is above the bed. The fan is a thing and the position is above the bed. Above is a position word. And Hansi looked out the window. Hansi is looked out the window. Out is a position word. And the bird flew over the sheep. The bird flew over the sheep. And next one, the lady stood in front of the gate. The lady stood in front of the gate. Front is a position word. And the next one, the telephone is on the table. The position of the telephone is on table. So on. The monkey is standing under the tree. The monkey's position under the tree. And let's look at the picture. Very simple. Everybody see the picture once again. I give a 1 minute time for you. Everybody look at the picture carefully. Okay. And see, Ansu was in the house. Ansu was in the house. See the picture. That girl name is Ansu. And she was in the house. And Rahul had a fruit basket in his hand. Who is Rahul? That boy. The boy names Rahul and he had a fruit basket in his hand. Suddenly he slipped on a banana peel. The fruits flew over the Rahul's heads. The lamp is behind the sofa. So all the words in red are examples of position words. In, on, over and behind. Okay. I hope everyone clear about the position words. And now let's do the practice on 2 and see Roman letter 1. Circle the correct position words to complete the sentences. And see the first one. The pencil is kept on or in the book. The pencil is kept on the book. Tick on. Circle on. And see question B. The cat is hiding. The table. Under or up? Under. Circle under. And question C. I am standing dash the school. In front of school, off out the school. In front. The birds flew dash the sky. In the sky, up the sky. The birds flew in the sky. He should dash the tree. Under the tree, over the tree. Under. And see question 2 in page number 126. Find and circle the position words in the given box in the word grid below. So you see the grid, word grid, and you have to find The words in this box below, over, in, begin, on, at. Everybody circle, find and circle these words in the grid. I give it 2 minutes time for you. Complete and write in the space. Okay, I hope everyone completed this. And see question 3. Find and circle the position words in the following sentences. The first one, she put a blanket over her. Over. He sat at the table. At. I went to swim after breakfast. After. The next one, the ball is under the bed. Under. The cat was in the box. In. Okay, I hope everyone completed this. And now it's time for homework. And today's homework is complete question 4, 5, 6 in page number 126 and 127 in your concept book. Once you're done your homework, post it in Google Classroom grade 2 English. Stay safe and stay home. Eat healthy food and drink more water. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. We will see in the next class. Thank you.